Hello everyone, this is my homework. Going to gonna I'm gonna try to finish this book. Want to eat. Wanna eat. Do you wanna eat at 7 o'clock? Have to start. Have to start. I really have to start studying for just that. Has to try. Had to try. He had to try harder. Got to live. Had to live. I really got to live. Live in 15 minutes. Or to believe. Or to believe. She's really or to believe what he's saying. Out of bed. Out of bed. I got out of bed when I heard the alarm clock. Did you go? Did you go? Did you go to the store? Uti. Uti. Uti helped me move the furniture. Will you want to play one more song on the piano? Did you know? Didn't you know? Didn't you know that she was coming home tomorrow? Is he? Is he? Is he on the cover? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me right now. One of these days, I'm gonna leave this time. I just wanna have a good time. Nice place. This is. Why don't you want to come with us? 'Cause I hate shopping. Rock and roll will never die. Tell him to come now. Can you see him? Not yet. Isn't it? In it. Don't you? Because and them him do you